Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this animated caption like you see on the screen right now. I just have a still on the timeline. We'll leave it at 5 seconds. Then right click on it, do Fusion Clip. Now it won't extend any longer, more like a video. And go to Fusion. We go to one viewer for this. Get a background. Turn the alpha all the way down. Merge the media into the background. And select the media. And get a polygon. I think most people cut the line here, but you don't have to do that. Just select invert. And I'll get this out of the way. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. And we're not going to animate this polygon, so we can delete this keyframe. I'm going to turn the Roto Assist on and show you guys how to use that. If you're not familiar with it already, it'll follow the line kind of on its own. You can be off a little bit and it'll snap to it. Right-click on the viewer, go down to the Polygon 1, Roto Assist, enable. Now it'll help you guide your line between the two contrast points. Make sure you close your loop and then select this modify only tool. That way you won't screw up your polyline. Highlight them all and hit smooth. You'll see now your polygon is off. Right click on the viewer, back down to the bottom, Polygon 1, back to Roto Assist, and turn it off. Highlight both them, right click, copy, click away right about here, and paste. Merge them together, and select the polygon, copy, and deselect the invert. Now you should have both halves of your picture. Get a text node, merge it between the other two merges, and select the text node and put the text you're liking in. And go ahead and set your font and all that stuff now, size. I'm going to match his beak. Okay, I have mine set up. And if you select the text node, shift space and drop shadow. And now your text should be a little more visible. That's optional. You don't have to do it. And back to the text node. Go to layout. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to put my playhead on frame 60, 2 seconds in. You may have to adjust accordingly. And set a keyframe. Put the playhead back on frame 0. And take the center X to the left, or whatever direction you're working on. Minus 0.5. And we'll give it a play. We'll go ahead and give it a smoother animation here. Open your spline. Select the text. Zoom to fit. Select all. And F on the keyboard. Then hit T. And this ease in, ease out window will open up. We're going to ease in and out. So we can lock it. Then it'll adjust both at the same time. If you double click on this ease in, it'll jump right to 50. So I'm going to take mine up to about 65. You don't have to be exact. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.